Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Boat Airdopes 141 earphones which I ordered from the official website of Boat. They are available on Amazon and Boat's official website as of now. On Amazon it is the price is about 1200 rupees, but on the official website the price is also 1200 rupees, but there is an additional coupon of 200 rupees which you can use, so that the overall effective price will come out to be 1000 rupees. Okay, so here is my order which I received an hour ago. Let I it you can see that it is already open. It is just I had to make sure that I was not being cheated, therefore I had to open this while receiving it. Okay, so here are the Airdopes box. Let us open it. And okay, so here is the thing that we get here. Boat Airdopes 141. I ordered this in gray color because I have been using white and black colors all the time, and but this time I wanted to go with a different color, so I chose this gray color. So here are Boat Airdopes 141. You can see the features here. Beast mode for low latency. This beast mode is pretty much effective in gaming, they claim. ENX tech be heard clearer for good call quality, and the ASAP charge. Guys, I want to mention that this ASAP charge technology is one of the key points which made me buy this Airdope, because here it is claim okay, so here it is mentioned that 5 minutes of ASAP charge will give me around 75 minutes of playback, which is a great thing. In case it is a very good option for the busy people, as we do not have to spend much time, and 75 minutes is more than enough for the emergency situations. So here are the Airdopes box. Do #do what floats your boat. Okay, we'll surely do that. So regarding the features that it gives, you can see that it has IWP technology, immersive audio, quick response touch control, total playback up to 45 hours, Bluetooth 5.1, and IP exposed sweat resistance. This means that this will handle the few sweat drops when you are exercising or going for running, etc. And other than that, little bit drops of water can also tackle that, but it is not fully waterproof. It will provide some safety regarding the water. Okay, so now let us open it. Just a second. Let's open it and take out what's inside. Okay, so just a second, guys. Okay, so here you can see that there is a lot of paperwork that these guys are giving. Thank you, boat head. Okay, FAQ. There is a lot of paperwork which these boat guides give. I have already seen when I ordered some few products of there are many stickers. Okay, 1 2 3 4. There are pretty much stickers. Boat head, boat show. They are giving so much. They are so much keen on advertising their content. They are offering many. This is a manual setup guide. This is the advertisement for other products. Okay. So this is the main thing that I spent my 1000 rupees on. There is a warranty card below it. Let us take this out. So here are the Airdopes. You can see this is how they look. This is how the box looks. It's good actually. It also feels good. Okay, so it is made of plastic. It is not metal. See, It looks pretty much good. It lightens up. There are 4 indicators of battery which shows that the amount of charge. So one light is for 25% charge, so it has about 50% of charge, as we can see. So here are the Airdopes. Let me take them out. Okay, so here is how they look. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good actually. These are also very light in weight, and here is the design. There are different features, one tap, single tap features there which are given with the device. So here is how they look. A little bit of stick. The thing I like it, they are pretty much on the lighter side, which is good for the overall experience or comfortability. Let us also see what's left inside the box. I guess this should contain the charging cable. Okay, so let us keep them aside for a bit. So other than the Airdopes, here is the charging cable. You can see that it is short, but it is enough to charge the both cases. This is a Type C cable. It's good actually. It's good. It's a good thing that they are offering the Type C cable to charge them. And there are 2 more sets of the earbuds which are given. In case there is one set, so there are a total of 3 sets which can be used depending upon your comfortability size of ear, and which is a pretty good thing that they are offering this thing. So this is the review, guys. This is the unboxing part. So here is the charging case. It's good actually. It does not feel that bad. It does the work for 1,000 rupees earphone. Can't expect or complain much. It does the job. So guys, this is how the earphones look. It is pretty much light, and the design is also good. The magnetic opening and closing of the case is also a good feature, and the battery indicator is also good. The thing is that whenever you use the earphones, and after the use, when you place them inside this case, they automatically start charging, which is a good thing. So suppose you hear a music or watch a movie for some time, and then you place them inside the case. The next time when you take it out for after some time, they will be fully charged, and it will work. I guess if you use it moderately, they will last about 2 days, 2 to 3 days. And if you are a heavy user, they will easily last you 1 day. That's my guess, but I will post one more video to find out how do these work, and let you decide on my review whether they are good for you or not. So I will be posting one more video regarding the use, regarding 1 week of use, or regarding 1 week of use, so which will help you to decide whether to go for these earphones or not, and is it worth spending 1,000 rupees on both Airdopes 141 or not. So that's the video, guys. Surely if you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up, and in case you did not like, you can also dislike the video. It will help me get the actual feedback of my viewers, and help me decide whether I am going in the right direction or not. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video.